Have you ever deployed a website only to realize you need to restrict access to it? It can be a bit overwhelming, right? If that's you, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into how to password protect your Firebase hosted website. I totally get it. You've just set up your website on Firebase, and it's working perfectly. But now you want to ensure that only your team can access it. This is a common concern for many developers and website owners. Here's the specific question we're addressing. One user asked, "Is there any way I can password protect or privatize my website hosted on Firebase?" If you're in a similar situation, stick around as we explore the solutions together. So what's the deal with Firebase hosting and authentication? Firebase provides a robust platform, but it doesn't come with built-in password protection for static sites. However, there are ways to implement authentication to restrict access. And don't go anywhere. I'll share a simple method to set up authentication at the end that will make securing your site a breeze. To password protect a website hosted on Firebase, the user should start by setting up Firebase authentication. This will allow them to manage user access securely. Next, the user needs to enable the authentication method they prefer. For password protection, they can enable email and password authentication. Now the user should implement the authentication logic in their website. This involves adding a login form and handling user sign-in. Finally, the user should restrict access to the admin panel by checking if the user is authenticated before allowing access to the protected routes. Fun fact, did you know that the first website ever created is still online? It's a simple page about the World Wide Web project. Just goes to show how far we've come in web development. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. One alternative solution is to move your app from Firebase to AWS Amplify. This platform allows you to easily password protect your app by changing the access control settings from publicly viewable to restricted. Additionally, if you're looking for more robust features than Firebase Auth, consider integrating AWS Cognito. This service lets you prevent new user signups and restrict user emails to specific domains. Here's the simple method I promised. Use Firebase authentication to easily manage user access and keep your admin panel secure. It's straightforward and effective. And there you have it. You can now password protect your Firebase hosted website. Remember, securing your site is crucial for protecting sensitive information. If you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button for more tips, and don't miss our next video on advanced Firebase features.